Withdrawing funds from your Instagram account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Instagram account using the app or website. Ensure you are using the account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to your profile and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. This section will provide you with information about your account balance and any pending transactions. Step 4. Choose Withdraw Funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You will receive a notification once the withdrawal is processed, which may take a few days to reflect in your bank account. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your funds from Instagram. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instagram support for assistance.